This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have a repo open. Start by scanning modified files in the source control panel so you know what will be stashed. From the command palette, type git stash and choose stash or stash include untracked, depending on whether new files should be saved. Once done, give the stash a clear message so you can identify it later. Make sure to include context like branch and task number. This first step prevents accidental loss and sets up quick recoverability. Now that a stash exists, inspect it using git stash list to see its identifier, or view entries in the source control and gitlins if installed. To restore work, use git stash apply ID when you want to keep the stash, or git stash pop ID to reapply and remove it. If you only need specific files, create a stash with path specs or use git checkout patch from the stash. These options let you control merge risk and selectively recover changes. Finish by validating restored changes in the editor and running tests before committing. Once satisfied, drop the stash to keep history clean. If you hit conflicts when applying, open conflicting files, resolve markers, stage, and commit. Stash application doesn't auto-commit. If apply fails, preview with git stash show PID to inspect hunks. Alternatively, create a branch and apply the stash there to isolate fixes. One key tip: if a stash seems missing, run git reflog to recover lost entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.